Hi friends, it's Vesna here. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Welcome if you're brand new, and thank you for coming back if you're returning. On my channel, I do DIYs, home decor, furniture flips, trash to treasure, anything home related, and a little bit of cooking. So please be sure to stick around, and if you like that kind of stuff, maybe you can subscribe. For today's video, I'm participating in a challenge hosted by Mama Dares to DIY and Sweet Urban Rose. If you have not checked out their channels, please be sure to check them out. I'll have their channel link linked in the description below. They do DIYs, home decor, anything kind of home related, so please be sure to check them out. They are super creative. So for the video, or for the challenge, we had to recreate something basically that we found online, and then we challenge you guys who are watching to tell us whether we've nailed it or failed it. So whether we've done a replica of the item that we found online. So please let me know what you think in the comments below. So I'm going to be painting out this planter. I believe this came with like a herb garden that I had bought like at the grocery stores. Had a bunch of herbs in it, so I kept it. Now I'm going to paint it out. I'm painting it with a mixture of Rust-Oleum chalked white and cocoa from Annie Sloan. I was kind of trying to get like an off-white color, so hopefully this is what I wanted, and if not, I'll just go over it with more paint. So I lightened up the paint a little bit by adding more white. I actually just added a little bit of tempera paint, and just to get a bit of a lighter color. Although once it dried lighter than I thought it would, but still I'll just do another lighter coat to get the color that I want it to be. And I did go ahead and paint the inside as well, because this way, if I'm when I'm like styling it, I don't have to worry about the galvanized showing through. So I just painted not the whole inside, but just the top parts. So here's the image that I took from the internet. It should fit pretty close to the little herb planter that I had. I'll probably have to cut it down a little bit, but I'll show you what I've done. I'm just waiting for it to dry. Okay, so it took a whole bunch of maneuvering to actually get this to fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and Mod Podge it, and then I will show you guys what it looks like. So I'm going to seal the piece with Annie Sloan clear wax, and I actually added a little bit of the white paint into the wax just to get this to be even a little bit whiter. Oops, I just have to be careful how I'm applying it to the piece that was Mod Podged, because I did not let it dry thoroughly. So then I'll have to buff it after, but I didn't want to do it before because I wanted to see how it would look with the Mod Podge, whether and with the decal, just to see, oops, just to see whether it would, whether I liked the color of it. But I'm gonna go with this. So there we go. Now I just have to brush, buff off some of the pieces with a clean rag. So I always use old t-shirts because that's what I have on hand. So I'm just adding this black just as a part of a bit of distressing. I'm going to do it at the bottom as well. And it'll just add to the piece, I think. So here it is styled. I want it to look like it was a basket full of flowers, even though the quote on it doesn't really match that, but that's okay. Let me know if you think I've nailed it or I failed it in the comments below. I think I nailed it, but you know, beauty is in the eye of the beholder, so let's see what you guys think. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Make sure you check out the playlist, check out the hosts, and check out the videos I've linked for you at the end. The hosts and playlists you will find in my description. Thanks for stopping by. Have an excellent day and stay safe.